So, since Mrs. Mello went through the FIT principle and reviewed that, we talked about predicting intensity levels for various activities. We had a little bit of disagreement on some of those, right? What were the reasons why we didn't agree? Who had an idea? What was it?
Terrain you're dealing with or your own individual fitness level.
Yeah.
Individual fitness level. That's a very good point. Any other reasons why you can think that people wouldn't see an exercise the same way as far as intensity levels go? Effort, great one. I like that a lot. So intensity is very personal, right? Lance Armstrong could mountain bike if he wanted to, way longer than I could, right? So one of the ways you can actually measure how intense something is checking your heart rate, okay? So who knows what their pulse is? Yeah? What is it?
64. Or you're meaning like
No,
the
that's
actual?
okay. Yeah, 64
I
what
forgot
though?
my blood
64
pressure.
what?
Beats per minute.
Great, yes. So your pulse is officially defined, which I'm sure you can see on your pieces of paper, officially defined as the rhythmic throbbing of the arteries as the blood is pumped through them by your heart. Okay? So there's a couple of places where you can quickly check your pulse. If you happen to have a Fitbit like I have one on, it'll tell me my heart rate, which is great. But if you don't have that, we're going to teach you how to do that so you can check at any point. Okay? So you've got arteries in your neck. You've also got blood vessels in your wrists. Those are typically the places people check the most easily. So everybody take your index and your middle finger, doesn't matter which hand, gently place it on the side of your neck, sort of a soft spot underneath your jawbone. See if you can feel that pulsing. If you push too hard, it's actually harder to find. So don't push too hard. Raise your hand if you are unable to find your pulse. If you don't have one and we need to call 911, let it know. Yeah? Oh, we got it? Sweet, love that. Okay, so this is it, okay? So if we do, what was that measurement you said it was? How?
Beats per minute.
Beats per minute. Okay, so who wants to count for a minute? Yeah, me either. Not either. So here's the easy way to do this, okay? You are only going to count for 6 seconds, okay? So I'm going to get my clock out here real quick so we can time 6 seconds. And then how are we going to figure out how that goes to a minute? Who knows?
Multiply by 10.
Whoa, we got a math major over here, don't we? Love it. Yes, we're going to multiply by 10. Who knows the easy way to multiply by 10? Wow, we got a couple math majors. I love it. You guys are awesome. All right, so let me get this phone to cooperate. There we go. Get my timer. All right, so everybody got their pulse here? Okay, I'm going to be quiet so you can think about the counting, okay? So I'm going to say my hand up to start counting, my hand down is to stop counting, okay? Ready? Stop. Take that number, write it down. And then what do we do? How do I make that the pulse per minute?
Where do I write it down?
There should be.
Anywhere?
Write it on the side. I tried to put a line on that spot. Thank you for telling me. I need to put a line there.
You got 80.
So we have our little heart rate here. I'm going to say.
That might be wrong.
Okay? Okay, so that's your pulse, okay? So the way to figure out where you should be exercising is called your target heart rate zone, okay? It's based upon your pulse. Your resting pulse, which is sort of where we estimate it right now because you're not really moving around, is officially when you first wake up in the morning, but obviously I'm not going to be in your room when you first wake up in the morning. I got to wake my own kids up here. So I'm going to have you guys assume this is your resting heart rate. How to figure out what your maximum heart rate is a nice little equation on here. 220 minus your age in years. Now, if you happen to have a device with you today that you're supposed to leave in the locker room, we're not going to tell anybody right now, get your calculators out, okay, and do the math that tells you 220 minus your age. Put your age in years. Now I'm going to put mine. Don't laugh. I'm not that old. Dude, she's ancient. All right. So 220 minus your age in years. Mine happens to be 177 beats per minute. That doesn't seem very high. So that tells me that that's pretty much the top of where I should be working out, okay? Okay, so then your target heart rate zone is anywhere between 50% of that maximum to 85% of that maximum. What? Yes, you're doing more math, I know. Tell your math teachers you already did your math today, you can skip it. All right, so there are some equations here on your pieces of paper. Don't tell the real math teachers I said that though, okay? So, you need to do the multiplication. You put in your maximum heart rate times 0.85 for your upper end, and times 0.5 for your lower end. Or you could do what for the lower end?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. Gosh, you guys, seriously, you've had a full math lesson today. I don't think you even need to go to math class. Shh, don't tell
Good
my
deal.
See? This is what people like PE class. All right, so we are almost done with the boring part of this class. I promise you, we are almost done.
Wait, the math is the boring part?
No, the writing. The writing stuff down, not moving around. That's the boring part of PE
The
class.
writing.
So, my target heart rate zone is between 88 and about 150 beats per minute. Whew, okay, that was the hard part. Now the fun part. Next page. Anybody not figure out their target heart rate zone? Everyone's got it figured out? No questions? Okay, so, next part. You're gonna choose an activity, 3 different activities. 1 from each of the ranges on the front. All right, you guys put those into that. Here's that list again. You can use your list, you can use the class list, it's okay. In either way. So you're gonna go through there and you're gonna choose 3. You're gonna partner up with somebody, so you get 3 seconds to pick a partner. 3, 2, 1. Who doesn't have a partner? Raise your hands.
You can be with us.
No?
Oh, wait. Is it on number?
You've got a partner.
Teacher.
Mrs. Mel is gonna be your partner. Oh man, he only has to work. Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take 1 of each intensity level. You're gonna do it for 30 seconds, then you're gonna check your heart rate, okay? And then your partner's gonna do the same thing, all right? I don't care what order you do them. Doesn't matter to me, okay? So, quickly write down what your activities you're gonna do. With your partner, find some open space. Oh, we've been sitting too long. Come on, guys, hop up. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Wait, we have to write down our activities though, right?
Yeah.
Walking, skipping, running.
I can't do any push-ups though, so let's not pick that
Walking. You want to do skipping?
Wait, what are we doing?
I think you do.
We're doing
Pick
individually?
1 per category.
Okay.
And we're gonna do the activity for 30 seconds and then check your heart rate and write it down. And then, while you're doing that, your partner's gonna do the activity for 30 seconds that they picked for that and write their heart rate down. You get a break in between while your partner's going.
Can we choose mountain biking?
Do you have a mountain bike?
Or swimming.
Did you bring your mountain? I left my Mount Rainier at home. Did you bring yours?
Of course.
Oh, sweet, come on. Let's go. No? Okay, fine, whatever.
Okay.
All right. All right, so how about, let's go. Find some open space.
30 seconds. Okay, so
Decide who's going first. Whoever has the longer hair goes first. Done.
you were here too.
So you time it.
I don't know.
Are they supposed to time us?
I've got a timer right there.
Okay, so
Look at that.
Your partners.
So we can just do, we can do it the same.
Oh, that's a great question. Wait, everybody here has a question? What's your question, Erin?
So if we're just supposed to, what does the partner do if the person with the long hair is walking?
What's the non-exercising partner supposed to do? Any ideas? Be a
Cheers,
cheerleader! Exactly! Come on, let's do it. Okay, so ready? First partner ready to go. Yes?
What are you doing?
I'm stretching.
Awesome, here we go.
Go! Go!
And go!
You stretch those arms. Walk and encourage ourselves. How's your heart rate? Feeling good.
Feeling good? You can still talk to this? That's good, that's good.
Well, because the blood is running.
Maybe you should try a different stretch. Her face is turning uncomfortably red.
Alright.
Little tomato.
So Dollar, we're doing that forward. Bend your knees a little bit.
Encourage, not
Try to
taunt.
really on your thighs.
What's that?
I was trying to watch out for yourself. I was trying to do a different one. Check your heart rate.
Okay.
Hold on, ready? We're gonna reset. Ready? You ready to count? Go. Stop.
I think I lost it right. Or it's like, it's hard.
So write down your pulse rate. After that first activity.
I lost mine.
Second partner ready to go. Second partner is starting.
Are we doing the same?
You can choose, you don't have to do one from each activity, ranking. You can choose one you want to do. Ready? Second partner and go.
I'm doing the first one.
That's skipping.
Okay, we're supposed to still do this.
The second partner is going and doing the first one. That's not what everyone's doing.
Oh, you guys are switching partners and doing the.
Efficient. What do you guys together? Your intensity level.
We're encouraging each other as we go. We're not following your instructions either. We're
Actually, you feel like my heart is going to stop. And find your pulse and count. Stop.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Write it down. First partner, get ready to go. You're up. Second activity.
I don't even actually know where we're going to do this.
For conciseness today, for this class, for this demo mini lesson, we're going to do 2 activities, so we're not going to do all 3. Okay? Okay, first partner, ready to go? Starting in 3, 2, 1. There you go.
That's a moderate. It is.
All right. I want someone to challenge themselves with an activity that they don't know that they're very good at. Just see what it does to your heart rate. So if you're currently resting, if your partner is going, you're going to go next. You need to pick something and challenge yourself.
That's impressive.
I can't do it.
There's a blank going on over here. Let's see. I was like, where's Thomas up here too?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Almost there. My bad.
Time's up. Thank you. Too far away.
Really
All right.
okay.
Ready to count your heart rate? And count. Stop. All right, last activity. Second partners. Ready to go? Starting in 3, 2, 1. There you go. Better not lift your head. Start up there. Yeah. Much less strain.
Have we checked out here?
We did obeyed instructions and we went at the same time.
Oh, okay.
We were being efficient.
Okay.
Although now that I think about it, probably we should have switched so that our heart rate could fall in between.
Not so much. Oh,
Mine
and
was a huge jump, but my heart was
very long. Ready to count your pulse? And go. Stop. All right, write that down. Okay, so for conciseness, we're going to skip the 3rd round for today, for now. Okay? So, what you do need to do though, is take a look at those numbers and compare them to your target heart rate zone. Oh, I'm sorry, did I say sit? Because I didn't mean to. Up, walk around. Especially if you just did something that raised your heart rate, don't just sit down. Walk around a little bit, think about it.
Think about what you
So, who, raise your hand if your heart rate did not stay in the zone, in your target heart rate zone.
Like went too high.
If it wasn't in the zone. All right, so if your hand is raised, tell me how.
My low intensity wasn't high enough.
Okay, what was your low intensity activity?
Walking.
Walking did not raise your heart rate in your training zone, did it?
No.
Okay. Emily, how was yours? Yes, Emily. Sorry.
My low intensity of stretching was too low.
Okay. Did anybody have an exercise that put theirs too far up and out of range? Okay, that's fine. We didn't have a lot of space. We weren't really dressed early. Yeah, it's fine. So, okay, so that just tells you, right, that finding that zone is not necessarily as easy as it sounds. But now